Welcome to this tutorial on Dirbuster. This is a tool to help find hidden directories on websites. So first thing you want to do is type in Dirbuster in your terminal. This will open up Dirbuster. And now we need the address for the website we want to find the hidden directories on. So this is just a HackTheBox machine that is made for hacking. So it gives you an example. You do have to put in this in the format it asks for. So we do need to put in HTTP. Let's go ahead and paste in. Well, I think it was. Well, let me paste it for some reason. And then we want to do port 80. Okay. Next, we want to do these number of threads. This will determine how fast it will go through and find these directories. So I typically do the go faster and then move it up to 200 threads. Now we need a list for it to go by. So let's browse here, and I believe it is on user. Let's go to user, share, word lists, and then Dirbuster. And I usually just use this one here. You can use whichever one you want, or you can download more online. Let's do this one. And now we need to find which file extensions we want it to pick up on. But before we do that, I want to say that you can also specify what directory you want it to go on first. But since we're searching for basically the whole site, you can just leave this blank. So let's find different file extensions to add to here. So we'll do PHP, we'll do a text document, zip, you can put whatever you want in here. RAR file, PDF, and we will do docx. And now all we have to do is start the attack. Well, I say attack, start the search. And now it is searching on this site here. And what I like to do first, also it'll go ahead and show which ones it's found over here on the left as it finds them. But what I like to do after a while, after it's ran for a while, I got to go to the tree view, and that way you can look at it in kind of a file explorer type way. So you can look at all these different things here. So let's go ahead and put one of these to the test. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. You can let that run for as long as you want to. There's a /JS. And this will give us more of the website here. So as you can see, you can find a lot of different things this way and kind of go into these little rabbit holes. And this is a really easy way to enumerate a website and find out what's all there. So I hope you guys appreciate the video. Like and subscribe, and have a good day. Thanks.